Some night joggers. I think we've seen this colorway before, 44 bucks. Also, not bad. What do you guys think about these? I know they got 3M on them somewhere. Yep. That's what's dope about the night joggers, bro. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? If you're looking at the shoes, we're always gonna come now to the pet toys. As I said, if you guys do Amazon FBA, definitely something to consider. I'm gonna look up a couple of these things and get back to you guys with the comps on the screen. But yeah, we got a few things here, like these jumbo donuts, the Christmas colorway for sure. These right here should be pretty good, $3.99 on that. We're gonna go ahead and look these things up and see what's going on. And of course, we're gonna take some of these with us right here, bro. I found this again, $23. But there's some amazing comps for Prime, even more than what I'm showing in the screen. I'm gonna look through some of these games and see if there's anything maybe worth scooping up. But I'm kind of sold on just getting these damn Zippy Paws, bro. Zippy Paws is killing it right now, at least for me. You might want to try it out for yourself and let me know your results also. So I found this game Mousetrap, which is here for $16, $15.99. Some comps are pretty good on this one. Again, there's a good amount of them, you know what I'm saying? It probably will be worth it because I've seen some comps for like $35 off, or you know, listings for $35 and $28. Not too sure about that. Sorry for 19. Let's see, could be restricted on this, could not be. Let me look it up and see. Another type of baby product that I talked about that you can sell that does have some profit. $15 here, but you guys can see that there is no Prime listing, so you can kind of put that up a little higher. And the sales rating on this is really good, so you can get some bucks for this, bro. There's different type of things you can look up for Amazon that you don't have to be, that you're not gated in. And I'm not ungated in nothing. I'm only able to do what you can start off with, you feel me? In case you didn't know, they do have Versace cologne for men and women at Marshall's. How much is the price tag on this though? I don't see it. I know that one's $39. The big boy is, oh, 49 bucks. Now these are very interesting. I don't know if they're limited or something like that, but they have one person listing it for like $8, and then the next price goes all the way up to like 40 or something like that, close to. $4.99 is the price on these. That's interesting. I want to see what's up with that. If you've ever experienced this and sold it for that high price, let me know. The sales rank on it is really good too. Can't go wrong with it. Got these again. Found it at the other location. These are definitely good sales right here. Put the comps on the screen so you guys can see. Check it out. Let me know what you think about that. And then we checked these out. This one had something good with it. This one has something good from what we saw before the last time. I gotta check out this eggnog right here. Zippy Paws, man. Trying to tell y'all, man. Found another pretty good banger, as you guys can see. $6.99 is not bad on the price. They have like one up there listed for like $9. Only one FBA. You can take the rest of them and listen to what you want to, bro. That's fire. What this mouse talking about? $2.99 on the mouse right here. Might be some good comps. Let me know what you guys think. Pretty good Ray-Down stuff, but I have seen this at other places. I haven't seen this one. This is a new type of packaging from Ray-Down. Is there a barcode? There's not. Dip, Eat, Taste. $16. I'm sure this has some good value to it, but there's no barcode for me to scan. I'll look it up at some other time. Dog, mom, wolf, Ray-Down, man. If you guys don't know, you'll find out sooner or later. Dog treats. The bottom is good, $12.99. I'm just posted up chilling right now. I did find some things I'm gonna take. We're gonna come back and scoop those up in a second. Let me go check out the shoes a little bit more, but for sure all of these are going with me. Maybe one of these, I don't know, we're gonna look around and see, but some of these things definitely are gonna go with your boy, you dig? So we're gonna go back through here and just see what else I might come across. I'm actually going back by the shoes. Candles are good. Clothes, of course. You know, these different stores are gonna have so many different gadgets and so many different things you can grab and sell. Not just on Amazon, but everywhere, bro. You know what I'm saying? These are Ray-Down. I'm telling you, they're a barcode. There's a lot. I'm gonna come back in a couple of days and check this stuff out. Actually, today is Friday. Is today 20%? It might be. So what do you guys think about this? Back to the shoes really quick to wrap this side up to see what's this. Oh, $24. I thought that was something else. Shoes, New Balances, nothing too crazy. 500 New Balances. Not too much going on in this location. They have some cool things just depending on what you're looking for. Marquee boots low. What colorway is this? Not bad. $29. Not on display anywhere here. You never know what's in these boxes, man. It's an empty box, so we've seen this. Yeah. Let's take a quick glance. Is there anything? No boxes that stand out. Clearance aisle. Okay, so they got a whole bunch of these dames, which we saw before. These are like really large sizes, though. My goodness, 27 bucks on these. None of these look like a 13. They all like 17, 18, 20s and shit like that. Marquee boots, same thing. You know what I'm saying? What are these? Colorway kind of stands out. $22 on these. What do you guys think? That's not a bad colorway, actually. 13 is the size. Timberland boots on deck. Adidas boots. 69 on those. Not a whole bunch going on. Not a whole lot going on. What's the clearance on these? 25. $39 still on these. Black Timberland, 69 bucks. What are these going for? 22 bucks now. Got some boots on deck too, as you guys can see. Timberland Gore-Tex, regular Timberlands, King. Pretty solid shoes. They also have a few other Vomero 14s in this colorway, which is not bad. I think we've seen this before. $44.99, so 45 bucks. I'm not mad at this colorway. What do you guys think about this shoe as a whole? Like I said, that cushioning feels really good. Once I find one of my size, we're gonna have to go for it. Only 8.5 here. Then we got some Pure boots, of course, 44 bucks. Pretty good size run in there too. A lot of Pure boots here. Zoom Gravity, pretty mediocre, all white. They got a lot of color, a lot of sizes in that too as well. We got some Alpha Boosts, $34.99. Ladies, they have some pretty cool shoes from Adidas, the night joggers. You guys know I'm a fan of those, and the style, the 3M that really hits on the shoe, as you guys can see right there. That's always dope. And then we also have these right here, the Solar Glides. Caught a few pair of these a while ago in a different colorway. Only 29 bucks, that's not bad. Followed by some Reebok Classics. Just want to show you guys what they got for the ladies too, you dig? And this is one we found before. You guys see what's going on the screen. $6.99 for this. We got to go ahead and make a pull on that. That's crazy. It's crazy to believe, but it's possible. I mean, they don't really have too many fluff things. It has good sales rates, so it looks like it's been selling. Is there any more of them here? I think this is another one. We're gonna look it up just to double check and make sure the barcode is there, but I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer right here, bro.